police has registered an FIR over objectionable and defamatory social media posts targeting Prime Minister Narendra Modi, constitutional authorities and police force. According to official sources, a substantial portion of the content under investigation was posted during the Cockroach Janata Party's protest at Jantar Mantar. The case has been registered by the Intelligence Fusion and Strategic Operations Unit at the Delhi Police Special Cell under charges of criminal intimidation, public mischief and defamation. As part of the investigation, the Delhi Police has issued notices to X and other social media platforms directing them to remove the disputed posts and videos and provide complete details of the accounts that uploaded them. The police have sought the users' full names, addresses, contact numbers, email IDs, login and logout details along with corresponding timestamps and any other information that could assist the investigation. The action follows complaints alleging that offensive and abusive language was used against Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The content was uploaded during the student protest and after the police action on July 20th Chalo Sansad March. Officials said the Delhi Police social media monitoring team has been continuously scanning online platforms for objectionable content. According to the police, several posts and videos containing abusive language directed at the Prime Minister have already been removed following police notices. Officials added that cyber and social media teams continue to monitor online activity linked to the protest to identify additional content that may violate applicable rules. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.